Hello everyone, and in today's lesson we're gonna learn how to turn the audio down or up in Adobe Premiere Pro, how to change the volume in video. We have two options to do that. First one, select our audio clip, go to the Effect Controls panel and open up Volume section. And here we have level of our audio. With this slider we can change the volume down, for example -6 decibels, and our audio track will be quiet. We can lower down the value of level to -15 or -30, or we can raise up our audio level. This slider defines how loud our clip will be. Now second option to change our audio gain. Right mouse click on our audio track and choose Audio Gain, and here we can change the volume of our audio. Adjust gain by means to increase or decrease the volume, +5 or -5 decibels. If we want to lower our volume, set it to -10 decibels. We can see even on timeline that our audio track got quieter. Now we have two options to change our audio track volume. In the Effect Controls panel, change the level, or right mouse click and choose Audio Gain. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to the channel and have a nice day!